Today's Southern Gardening is at Adams Nursery in Petal, Mississippi, looking at these beautiful red berries on these hollies. They definitely will brighten up any winter landscape. You can enhance your winter landscape by incorporating plants with vibrant berries. An excellent choice for Mississippi gardens is the Savannah holly, a favorite among landscape hollies and a superb evergreen. This holly, a hybrid of the Native American holly, boasts a natural pyramidal growth habit that is loose and open. Its versatility makes it suitable for specimen planting or screening. Savannah holly is a moderate growing shrub that can even develop into a small tree, reaching heights of up to 35 feet. The foliage of Savannah holly is typically a dull light green with soft spines along the leaf margins, distinguishing it from hollies with dark, glossy green leaves like Nellie R. The trunk and the side branching features a smooth texture and range from light to medium gray. The real highlight of Savannah holly occurs from November through March, when its tight clusters of fluorescent red berries form towards the branch ends. These quarter-inch red berries are a delicacy for birds, making them a captivating element in the landscape. I'm Eddie Smith, and I will see you next time on Southern Gardening.